So this is going to be our last progression for the core control challenge. It is by no means the most intense or the greatest measure of core control, but this is just the last one that we're going to be talking through. If you want something more challenging, if you feel like, yeah, I can do this really well, give me something harder, please reach out, ask me questions. You can email me, you can DM me, you can personal message me through the Chiropractic Advantage pages through socials, and I would be more than happy to give you more exciting stuff or meet with you in person and really take your core control to a maximal level so that you can translate that over to any of your activities that you need to do. But let's get this last one down and see how it feels. So we're going to start in the same position as we did with last week's challenge, and that's going to be on your back in that little bit of a tabletop position. So last week the challenge was, can you lift your foot marching without your pelvis moving and without putting more weight on that stance leg? This one we're going to be starting up in that tabletop position here with that 90-degree angle here, and the movement is dipping your heel down toward the floor without that shifting and without getting excessive arching of your back. You want to keep your low back in that natural arch, super stable, and we want to keep the pelvis really stable so that we're not dumping either side here. So in order to really gain that control, again, use that exhale to really bring your abs on board. Which will allow you to have that control in that lower ab section, which really gets that stability around the pelvis. So if you can do, let's say, 15 to 20 reps of that without losing that, with that really good stability, alternating your legs, I would say you have pretty decent core control there and you would be ready for a progression. But like I said, this is as far as we'll take it now. So if you have any further questions, let me know. Otherwise, work on this. This is, like I said, a test, but it's also the exercise. So this is the exercise that you can do. If you're really struggling with that, go back to last week's and work on that till you master that, and then pop onto this one. But have fun with it and let me know if you have any questions.